Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love, 11:01 on the clock. Ibig sabihin, kailangan muna nating ihinto ang ating biyahe for tonight na biyaheng Why Do People Change? At kausapin or sagutin ang tanong ng isang Byahe Sender of the Night. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Basahin natin ang biyahe ni Saviel. Good evening po, tawagin niyo na lang po akong Saviel. May gusto po sana akong pormahan na babae. Kaso po, mahirap lang po ako. Siya po ay may estado sa buhay. Madami din pong nagsisend ng food and gift sa kanya. Nahihiya po ako sa kanya. May trabaho naman po ako, kaso sapat lang po sa amin. Ano po ba ang pwede kong gawin? Sana po matulungan niyo ako. Hi, Saviel. Well, I don't know if you are pertaining to a celebrity ba yan, a public figure ba yan, o talagang ganun lang kadami yung nanunuyo sa kanya. Pero if a love is true kasi, Saviel, if you'll take a shot and the love is true, it doesn't even care about status in life. I mean, it will only matter kapag nagkaroon na kayo ng, or magsisimula na kayo ng pamilya. Pero that one is something that you have to go through together, you have to prepare for together. Ngayon namang boyfriend and girlfriend pa lang naman kayo, o diba? I do not think na titingin siya doon. If that person is someone you adore, not only because that person is pretty, that person is gorgeous, breathtaking, but because alam mong siya ay kind, compassionate, siya ay thoughtful, siya ay a good human being. Yan, to begin with. I think kung yan ang taong nagugustuhan mo, hindi ka niya i-judge for what you have in your pocket. I-judge ka niya for who you are. But like everything else, regardless of status in life, my love, Saviel, ganito na lang. Kapag manliligaw ka sa isang tao or kapag mai-in-love ka sa isang tao, wala din naman talagang guarantee na yung taong magugustuhan mo, magugustuhan ka din. But you'll never know if you won't try. You'll never know if you won't ask. You'll never know if it's good to take a risk unless na-take mo na yung risk. Naintindihan mo ako, my love, nothing will ever happen kung wala kang gagawin about what you feel for this person. So if I were you, master yung lahat ng courage na meron ka, gather your strength, lahat ng ounce of bravery na meron ka sa katawan mo, and just try. Try asking the girl out. Tanungin mo lang siya na, pwede ba akong manligaw or pwede ba kitang kilalanin on a personal level? I am a good person, I like you, and I'm interested sana kung papayagan mo, kung hahayaan mo, gusto ko sanang manligaw sa'yo. I do not think there's anything wrong with that. Sa totoo lang. And sa totoo lang din, sa panahon ngayon talaga, konti na lang yung mga lalaking nagtatanong. Mas marami na kasi ngayong lalaking nag-a-assume. Totoo, nag-a-assume na lang sila sa chat. O, di ba, magiging sweet-sweetan sa'yo. Tapos, i-assume na nila sa mga sarili nila na yun. Nanliligaw na sila. Pero sobrang konti na lang po sa panahon ngayon ang mga lalaking nagtatanong talaga. Kumbaga, nilalagyan nila ng label kung ano yung ginagawa nila. And some girls do appreciate guys like that. Guys that would put a label sa mga pinapakita nila para wala ng expectations, diba? Walang maling assumptions or interpretations. You say what you mean and the other person understands what you are doing. Na you are doing it because nanliligaw ka. So again, Saviel, there's nothing wrong sa status mo. If that girl is that kind, kasi nagustuhan mo siya, I don't think it will matter sa kanya. What will matter is your efforts in showing her how much you care for her, how much you like her, how much you adore her, or how much you are serious with her. Pero that can only happen if magtatanong ka sa kanya. Now, i-cover na natin lahat ng bases. Sinabi sa'yo ni girl na, I'm so sorry, you are a good person, I think you are a great guy, it's just that hindi ako yung para sa'yo, or I just don't think na ito yung klase ng relationship for me. I want you to be ready for that as well. Pero again, that has nothing to do with your status in life. It's just that some people are not interested to some people. Ang mga girls naman kasi ngayon, ang ginagawa nila, kapag pinayagan ka nilang manligaw, ibig sabihin may tsansa ka. O, diba? May mga babaeng upfront na din. Hindi ka na pahihirapan pa, hindi na nila sasayangin yung oras mo kung wala ka naman mapapala sa kanila. So, kadalasan ang ginagawa ng mga babae, pinapaligaw nila sa kanila yung mga taong interesado din sila with. O, diba? Kaya, Saviel, I guess you just have to try. Iisang tabi mo na yung story mo ng hindi kayo ganun kayaman. Hindi naman lahat ng tao makikilala mo mayaman eh. May mga tao dyan magaling lang manamit, magaling lang magdala, pero hindi din naman kayamanan. O, diba? So, ano yan, yung status in life na yan, that can change kasi. Hindi naman yan permanent, my love eh. O, diba? Hindi yan permanent. Now, if you are in a relationship with this person and you want a better life for that person kasi you think na that person deserves a better life with you, then kailangan nyo mag-hustle pareho. O, diba? Nang tulong-tulong kayo. Kumbaga, gagamitin mo yung whatever it is na nararamdaman mo as a motivation in order to do better in life. Dream bigger in life. And exert all the efforts to make it happen. Pero yan ay sobrang way ahead pa. For now, do the first step. Ask her out. Now, if she says no, take it as a man, and then be okay with that. Be at peace with the thought na hinayaan mo yung sarili mong mabigyan ng tsansa na iparamdam sa kanya kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. Kesa magsisi ka habang buhay na, shucks, sana pala sinubukan ko. Kahit alam kong suntok sa buwan, sana pala sumubok ako. Kasi mas maganda na nga na wala siya sa'yo nang alam mong gumawa ka ng paraan para hindi yun mangyari kesa na wala siya sa'yo nang wala kang ginawa kahit ano. Klaro? Klaro.